History has a haunting way of repeating itself, as Vice President Constantino Chiwenga finds himself locked in a high-stakes succession battle with President Emerson Mnangagwa. Ndizanapinda mashoko obuda panguva ino chinokonzi Chiwenga panguva ino odzokera zvegare mudeadlock ya2017. Panapa vanhu havachazivi kuti what is the way forward. Ndizanapinda munhu hauzvizererewo pasubscribe like or on the bell icon. Tiendera mberi nenhau mubuda nyuka muchinzi. Whispers of betrayal, poison, and pegs echo through the corridors of power. And now, as the pressure mounts, some fear that Chiwenga's wife, Colonel Miniodabo, Mini Baloi, could become collateral damage, just as Susan Tsvangirai once was. Susan Tsvangirai, the beloved wife of opposition leader Morgan Tsvangirai, died in a mysterious car crash in 2009. Though officially ruled an accident, many Zimbabweans still believe her death was politically motivated, a warning shot aimed at weakening her husband's resolve during a tense power-sharing era. The symbolism was chilling. If they could break the man, they would break the woman beside him. As the rift deepens, insiders warn that if Mnangagwa's scheme fails to clip Chiwenga's wings directly, they may resort to targeting those closest to him, and many with a growing public profile and symbolic weight could be next. In Zimbabwean politics, perception often outweighs fact. Poison plots, mysterious illness, and sudden demotions are part of the playbook. General Anselm Sanyatwe, a Chiwenga ally, was allegedly poisoned and flown to India for treatment. Though officially denied, the story served its purpose to sow fear and fracture loyalists. Miniotabo's visibility makes her vulnerable. She represents not just Chiwenga's personal life, but his political future. If she were to suffer a tragic accident or face public humiliation, it would send a chilling message to Chiwenga and to anyone who dares challenge to status quo. Morgan Tsvangirai never fully recovered from Susan's death. It weakened him emotionally and politically, leaving him exposed to manipulation and ultimately sidelined. The lesson is clear in Zimbabwe. The battle for power is not just fought in parliament or political meetings. It's waged in homes, marriages, and hearts. The succession battle intensifies. The question is no longer whether Chiwenga will be targeted, it's whether Miniotabo Baloi will become the next Susan Tsvangirai, a tragic symbol of what happens when politics turns personal. Ndo mashoko muZimbabwe ari kupinda panguva ino achitaurwa panapa naChipomsa Rwasiziwa. Mbori dzemafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pekomende yake. Pinda comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.